Okay, let's take a tour of the My Analytics within Slingshot. So in the top left here, you see the My Analytics tab. And when you first come into it, you will land as a first-time user on the Getting Started tab. And within the Getting Started tab, you can see a few of our different examples here where you can kind of see what a dashboard can really look like inside of Slingshot. We are also provided with some different resources in here to help you get started. Some of the other things within the My Analytics that you can do is you can see any dashboard that has been shared with you. You can see the dashboards that you have created. You can create your own personal dashboards. So these are the dashboards that maybe you're still working on that you don't want to put into a particular workspace or project yet. You can see your recents, so any dashboard that you've recently opened. And then you can also access your favorites here. So it actually looks like I don't have any favorites. So let's see how you can favorite a dashboard. So if I come to my dashboards here, I have my perfect sales dashboard and I have a little star icon here. And I'm just gonna click the star icon to favorite this dashboard. When I now go back up to my favorites, you can see my sales dashboard is right here now. Within your My Analytics, you can also create different lists in here. So say you wanted to have a list that was just of your sales dashboards. You can organize your dashboards within different lists and within different sections inside of here as well. And then you also have your data source tab where, again, as a first-time user, you'll end up on the Getting Started tab. And you can see some of the sample data that you have to play around with in Slingshot. I highly recommend using this sample data to work on using and creating your first dashboard. And then similarly, you can see data sources that were shared with you, created by you, and all of your data sources from here that you have connected to that you can then use to create your dashboards.